Hello from all the Sabs. Unfortunately, Mohammed can't be with us today, so only us four. Just to let you know that we have been with the PVC for students this afternoon, making sure that the student voice is forefront to all the discussions in the university at this crucial time.
Yeah, and following on from that, we are really pleased to confirm that we will be able to send out the consultation case, the business case studies that have been created to all students affected. So you'll all be receiving an email from us regarding your specific school that you can feed back into.
In addition to this, we will be setting up a range of focus groups with students from all the affected schools in the new year. So do stay tuned to find out when that will be for your particular school. We have already held a very successful focus group with chemistry. So we had some chemistry course representatives who came into the Students' Union to feed back on this consultation paper. I'm really pleased to say that they came up with a number of concerns which we compiled in this table here. And we've passed this now back on to the Dean of that college, besides Carol Tully and Oliver Turnbull, two of the Pro Vice-Chancellors. And those students in chemistry will get a response from the university based on their concerns.
Now, I realise that some of you would really like the opportunity to speak to the SABs, and so we're going to host on Wednesday in the room of requirement from 11 till 1. There'll be a SABs question time where you can come to us and we'll help try and abet any concerns you might have before the Christmas period. But I know that a lot of you aren't here and you have gone home for Christmas. So we have also set up another one on the 15th of January in PL5 from 6 till 8 p.m, where again you can come and you can talk about your concerns, and hopefully we can try and abet some of them in what could be a stressful period during the exam time.
Yeah, and we're really, really focused around getting your views and your student voice heard. So please do email us or come in and chat, and please do attend the focus sessions. You can come and you can tell us exactly what you're feeling.
Felly, mae llawer yn digwydd. There is a lot happening at this time, and it's important that your voice is heard. And if you have any questions, send an email to studentvoice@undebangor.com. Os bod gennych chi unrhyw ymoliadau, cysylltwch gyda studentvoice@undebangor.com. Da ni yma i wrando arnoch chi. We are here to listen to you.
But finally, Merry Christmas from us at Undeb.